Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tap menu. Now look for location icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead. Scroll down and click on location section. Then click on this switcher at the top to turn off or on your Samsung's location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!